My name is Jack Samworth. I'm a third-year apprentice, works in systems, where I work on pneumatic boxes and electrical boxes. So when I applied for the job, I've always been interested in engineering, so I just looked at loads of different companies close to where I live, engineering companies. Did some research on the companies. I've always been quite into electrical, and then I found this company, thought it was great, and then applied. So at SMC, I had 4 interviews. The first one was just it was a group one, so I had all the managers come around for like a couple of minutes and they just ask you a few questions one by one. And the rest were just kind of casual interviews where they asked me basic questions and I did a test, and then I had to present a PowerPoint about myself. I prepared by just doing a bit of research about the company, and then I got my parents to just basically ask me interview questions. So our first day was an introduction, so we had all the apprentices together and it was basically a few team building exercises where we got to know each other a bit better, and then I had a few health and safety videos and just stuff like that. Coming into a big organisation, at first it was really daunting, but personally everyone here has been great and helpful, and the longer I was in here, the more relaxed I got, and I've quite enjoyed it. So the biggest differences I found between school and coming to an organisation like here is just kind of the way I was treated. I was treated a lot more like an adult here, and I was a lot more friendly and helpful, I'd personally say. I have a tutor that works at college, and he comes into work like every 10 weeks, I believe, and just basically catch up, make sure I'm doing okay. He tells my managers what I'm doing at college and vice versa. At college, it's very different to school as well. It's a lot more independent, and it's like you're not trapped in at school, you can leave whenever you want. So it's basically it's up to you to do all your learning, to you to do all your work. At SMC, I get quite a lot of support. For example, I've got like 3 mentors, and that I work with, and they help me. If I've got any questions, I just go to them and they help me straight away. There's also quite a lot of employee benefits, such as free healthcare. And I have regular monthly meetings with our apprentice leader, who just catches up, makes sure we've got no problems, and if we do have any problems, she'll go sort it out and speak to the right people. I get involved in quite a lot, as much as I can really. For example, I go to loads of STEM events where a lot of them ask me questions about my apprenticeship, or I show them a bit of basic pneumatics. Move around the company, go to different departments, which is great, get to meet different people. I think we've got a great set of apprentices. We all get along really well. We've gone out quite a few times outside of work, and even people I work with who are slightly older, I've got quite a good relationship with quite a lot of people here. I could say I've made a lot of friends from here. I've changed quite a lot from coming here. I think the main thing is just my confidence, being able to just speak to different people. Also my practical skills have improved quite a lot, is in my problem solving, where at home I find I can actually be able to fix stuff and help my dad out with certain stuff, whereas before I couldn't do any of that. I'm so glad I took this apprenticeship. It's probably the best thing I've done, so go for it.
To find out more, visit our apprenticeships page on our website.